At 3 pounds each, they're more than 10 times heavier than newborn domestic kittens, and fidgety for the outside world. Kicking, even a bit of running, Isa is already hardwired to test out her motion skills. Her eyes won't open till a week after birth. She will be blind, but not totally clueless. She'll use her whiskers instead. They are her super sensors. Through touch and vibration, Isa can effectively see, even with her eyes closed. And finally, she has developed a fabulous full coat of fur. Unlike the golden adult lions, cubs are born with subtle spots, camouflage to keep Isa and her brother Nuru hidden. Because when they're born, they'll be defenseless and will need all the help they can get